we got 2 front bumpers now. I got 2 sets of lower grills, door sill plates. And so we got the hardtop on. It's obviously sitting here. Here's a little bit of love. Got the trim. Got the rear window in there, so that's important. You know what, let's first start with this and see what we got. And Wally really, he thought of freaking everything. Maybe do a little bit of work on that one. All right, this is obviously, goes right there. All this stuff's going to be cleaned and dyed anyway.